No, they start make this type of tool no during the time of Tirot Sing. You heard Tirot Sing?
No, will you explain about that?
Tirot Sing is our leader of Khasi.
Khasi, okay.
Yeah, because he fight for our land. It's him of Tirot
Okay.
Sing.
From that time only, you guys are making weapons
Yes.
to like protect yourself to
Yes.
for freedom for the land.
Yeah, yeah.
The beauty is there are 4 families that do it in the village called Milliam. Blacksmiths in general are dying out. There's a lot of modern ways of getting things made, but these guys are still at it, using the same old method that the ancestors used, and they're happy doing that. I mean, it is just wonderful.
You guys make only this tool or they make other tools as well?
Not only these tools, any other tools we mix, like knives, big knives, small knife also we mix.
But in one day, they made about 20 pieces.
Every single day.
Yeah, every single day. So basically, these guys has a very great output.
This type of fork now for the kids, we don't need any age. As much as they will, as much as their will, no? If you want to come here to learn this type of work,
Okay.
if they can come. If you want, it's enough whatever they want.
All right.
This work is not so mandatory for all. His kid also, when he study also now, he can further increase this work, or else he can study good by supporting his father.
I just love what they were doing. Like, it was very, very inspiring to see somebody with such dedication do what they do. And it's not easy work, it's very hard labor. And they still end up doing it 8 hours a day, day on day. And they always have a smile. I didn't see a single frown among all of them.